SAP Global Certifications normally cost 20,000 to 60,000. But in this video, I will show you how you can get SAP certifications with 2 exam attempts free of cost. And yes, I will explain the complete step-by-step process from account creation to book the exam slot, as well as how you can prepare for the SAP Global Certifications. So now in step 1, we have to create one SAP ID in SAP Learning Hub portal. So for that case, you have to open any browser and you have to type SAP Learning Hub Student Edition and press enter. And immediately you can find this is the first link, that is Student Edition for SAP Learning. So you have to just click on this link and you can find there are total 3 steps are available to claim your free exclusive access in SAP Learning. So there are 3 steps are there. First is create in or log in your SAP Universal ID, then verify your student status and wait for the activations mail to unlock your benefits. So in this website, first we have to click on the register options. So just click on register. Here you have to enter your basic informations. So you have to enter your first name, last name, your email address, and you have to set one username. And yes, you have to set your country and you have to set your now you have to acknowledge the terms and condition and just click on register. So in this page I have to just quickly enter the details. So I have filled all the details. Now just click on register. So now you can find thank you for registering your SAP ID. An email with an activation link will send to your particular mail ID. So now I have to check this particular email and we have to click on this particular link. So I just open my Gmail. So now you can find I have already got the mail from SAP. So here you can find click to activate your identity. So just click on this link. So here you can find so few informations is required and you have to set your password. So based on your choice, you can set your password as well. Now just click on continue and you can find success account successfully activate. Now just click on continue. Again just click on accept. You are all set to manage your account. You have to just click on this page or congratulations, you complete the registration process. So just click on continue. So that means successfully we have created an account in SAP Learning Hub portal. Now we have to find the course. So here you can find explore SAP, just click on it. And here you can find there are different types of courses are also available based on product. So now we have to select on learning and certifications. And just scroll down and here you can find one search options. Based on your requirement, you can search any course over here. So let's assume we have to search for ABAP. Just type ABAP and press enter. And here you can find SAP Certified Backend Developer ABAP Cloud. So these are the global certifications which we need to complete. So just click on it. and here you can find learning journey to prepare for the certifications, and this is the details of this particular course which are available over here. So now the first course is acquiring core ABAP skill. So if I just click on it, so you can find for getting this particular certifications, so there are few courses are also available which is completely free of cost because we have already created one account in SAP Learning Hub portal. The first one is learning basic ABAP programming. So regarding this course, we are already planning to make a video on this particular course, and the second part is hands-on practice for basic ABAP programming. Yes, definitely in our upcoming video we will explain how we can get the practical exercise access from SAP. Yes, it's also free of cost. Then depending your above programming knowledge, so again this is a 23 hours course. Then the last part is basically hands-on practice for intermediate above programming. Again, I will explain you how you can get the system access from here. So after completing these total 5 courses, finally you will get the SAP Certified Backend Developer ABAP Cloud certifications. So definitely for this case, you have to appear for one exam. So definitely each and everything definitely I will explain one by one. So now just scroll up and here you can find acquiring core ABAP skill. Just click on start learning. In the start learning page, you can find there are total 8 units are there. So let's assume I have to explain the getting started. This is the first unit. Just click on it and you can find it's taking some time to reload the page. So after reloading this page, in the left hand side corner, you can find preparing the above development. Take a first look in above, understanding the software structure and logistics. So each and every modules are available over here. So you have to just click on this particular module, and in the right hand side corner, you can find there is some video, some documentations are also available, which is well structured. Now also you can find how you can create an above cloud project. There is some demo is also available. So in this way, you have to complete the first course. Then you have to move 2, 3, 4, 5, all each and every course. Now, how you can complete this course? Again, for this case, definitely you have to wait for our upcoming video. Each and everything I will definitely explain. So this is the learning part you have to complete before attempting the global certifications. So after verifying your mail, so you have to find there is a one option that is called verify me. So just click on it. So here again, you have to set your country. So country is India. Again, you have to enter your school or university, same as your first name, last name, your date of birth, as well as your email address, and click on this checkbox and send it over. So quickly, I have to fill all the details. So now you have to click on set it over. So verifying using academic institution credential. So your academic institution portal will open in a new window for you to verify using your login information. So that means here you have to upload your college ID card or your mark sheet or class routine. So these are the informations you have to enter over here. So here you can find one share ID verifications link is already available. So if you don't have any share ID, so just again go back to this particular page and here you can find upload proof of enrollment. So just click on it. What are the documents you can upload over here? So first try to understand. They are asking your college ID card. Make sure your college ID card have your full name which you have entered during the registration process, and your academic institution name as well as your college logo or university logo and date. So that must be the date must be valid from or valid to. So that means it automatically check your student ID card is valid or not. So make sure you have valid to or valid from. These are the date. And now what type of document you can add? Suggested document. college or school ID card with expiry date, class schedule, tuition receipt, and must be in JPG, PNG, or PDF file. Yes, so just click on document and upload over here. It will take some time to verify your account. So after uploading the college ID card and it will verify by share ID, definitely it will take some time, maybe within a few minutes, or maximum it will take 72 hours. After verifying your details, if you just click on your profile icon and just click on my certificate, and under my certificate if you click on subscription, and here you can find atoms too. So in our SAP Learning Hub, there are two atom is available. So free of cost within a 1 year, you can attempt two different global certifications exam. So there is also some quizzes is also available. So again, I will guide you how you can submit each and every quiz. So each and every quiz has maximum two attempts. So within a two attempt, you have to clear this particular cut-off marks. Otherwise, you cannot continue. Similarly, if I again click on the next module, again you can find in the next module also there is some quiz. So definitely in our upcoming video, I will guide you how you can complete each and every course module. And also for these particular certifications, you have to install Eclipse, you have to add ABAP development tools. Also, you will get the system access from SAP free of cost. For more updates, you must subscribe our channel and make sure you click on the bell icon as well, so that whenever we upload the upcoming video, you must get the notification as well. So move to the next lesson.